What's up everyone? Today we will be calibration the Fluke 107 multimeter. As the first step, we will measure the voltage. First, let's start with 0.6 volts on the DC voltage range. Check 5.4 volts. It's okay. Now let's check minus 5.4 volts. You can check the tolerance values in the Fluke 107 datasheet. The tolerance is 0.5% plus 3 up to the maximum voltage. We are also checking the negative values in the DC voltage range. Here we will check 18 volts, 30 volts, 42 volts, 54 volts and 60 volts. Finally, we will check 540 volts and complete the DC voltage measurement. After that, we will use frequency to check the AC voltage. You can access educational content like this by subscribing to the channel. Also, don't forget to like and leave a comment. I will share a quote from my master with you. You cannot control what you cannot measure. With this mentality, there is nothing you cannot measure. I'm just kidding. Alright, the DC voltage measurements are almost done. Now let's move on to AC voltage. Okay, now let's switch to the AC range and set the electrical calibrator to 60 mV and 50 Hz. And push the operator button. 50 Hz first and then move on to 1 kHz. It changes by approximately 0.2 mV, but control is control. Let's check 540 mV with 50 Hz. Next up is 1 kHz. Series will continue like this. It might be a bit boring, but control is important. We are also checking here 6, 18, 30, 42, 54 and 60 volts. Then it automatically adjusts the range. We will measure 540 volts and then we will complete the AC and DC voltage measurements. First, let's turn off the power using the standby button. Let's switch to the multimeter, to the resistance mode and perform resistance measurements. First step, 0 ohms. Let's check. We will gradually increase here. 360 ohms, then 3.6 kilo ohms, and then 36 kilo ohms, and then 360 kilo ohms, and then 4 mega ohms. Finally, we will measure 36 and finish the resistance measurement. 50 Hz here. Then we will change the frequency and check it at 200 Hz. Finally, we will check at 9 amps and complete the calibration. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.